Hi everybody, my name is Esmaeil Haidara. Today I will speak about the surfaces in Civil 3D, how to do the surface. Okay, we can start. We have these points, we have two groups, natural ground points and PI points. So we will make the surface, we will build the surface from natural ground points. Okay, we'll come from this create surface. Here we will put the name of surface, natural ground surface. What about this? We can choose triangle surface, or we can make another types create surface or create volume surface. So today we will speak about triangle surface. From this we can make description for this surface if we want. For example, road 1 from 0 plus 0 to 2 plus 0 okay, and from this we can change the style of contour we need. For example, if we want 2 meter and 10 meter like a ground, for example, we will change this later if we want to change. Okay, after that we will make okay, and from this sequence we can add the points to definition to define the surface. Okay, there is many styles. Today we will choose this point groups. At this we use natural ground points. So okay, after that it's ready now, but it is not correct at this style. Okay, so we will change the properties of for this. We will modify this surface. Okay, to modify this surface we make this line delete. Okay, just wait. Okay, we will change the style to triangle, contour and triangles. After that, okay, now we can change anything and modify, edit surface, delete line. Okay, after that determine the lines you want to delete. Okay, like this and this too. Why we delete these lines? Because make surface interpolation with between these points and this point, but in fact it is not true. It is not like this, because there is a big difference between this. So we shall to delete all these lines, because it is not true now to make interpolation between this point. Okay, this is also we need to delete this extra lines, because the quantity after that will be more than the quantity. After we finish all that, we make enter. Maybe it is true, but also this area need to delete these lines, because they make interpolation between this point and this point. So these lines should be deleted. We can choose edit surface, delete line, and choose these lines to delete and this line to delete, and this, in fact it is not true. Okay, like this. So we can delete this. Okay, after that it is true now. Maybe after that quantities will be true. Okay, the surface, if we need to make slopes or point or elevations, we can press here. After that add labels, for example slope or spot elevation, determine the point. Okay, let us add contour multiple like this. We will add. Okay, just change the style for surface, for example this style, and remove all the points because you don't need it now because it is very crowded to see that, and this is okay. Now to change the properties, so for this, okay, you can make like this. If you want to make multiple, choose like this and all that. It is better than the previous. Okay, if you want to know how is the slope, for example, from here create slope labels, 1 point or 2 points. For example 2 points, choose the first point here and another point, for example this is the slope between 2 points. If you want to know spot elevation and grade, we'll choose this, specify the upper right location, and after that if you want, for example, change this, add surface labels or slope for 1 point, you can choose this and determine the direction of slope. So that is today we speak about the surface. Okay, see you again in another video to speak about new projects, about new subjects. Thank you very much. See you again.